still broke? It's not because of your job. It's not inflation. It's not the government. The real reason you're stuck broke. It's the invisible script running your life. And until you change it, more money won't save you. Most broke people don't have a money problem. They have a mindset problem. You were raised to survive, not to build, not to invest, not to think long-term. Just survive. Just get by. Just make ends meet. So when a little bit of money comes in, you spend it, you celebrate, you numb the stress, then you're broke again. It's not the amount, it's the pattern, and you're stuck on repeat because you never stop to rewrite the script. Here's how the broke cycle works. You get paid, you feel rich for 3 days, you spend without thinking, stress kicks in, you escape with dopamine, junk food, Netflix, useless purchases, repeat. You're not lazy, you're coping, with stress, with fear, with the pressure of being behind. And that's the trap. You think more money will fix it, but without new habits, more money just feeds the same loop. So how do you escape? It starts with one decision. Stop coping. Start building. Every time you get paid, split it. 70% for living, 20% for investing in skills, 10% for freedom, savings or startup money. Cut the subscriptions. Cut the spending that makes you feel good for 5 minutes. Trade entertainment for education. Start learning something you can sell. Copywriting, design, editing, coding, UGC. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to solve a problem. Want out? Here's the 30-day challenge. No spending on useless dopamine. Learn one monetizable skill. Sell something, anything, by the end of the month. Track every dollar like your life depends on it. Because it does. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be done with being broke. Money isn't the problem. It's the mindset that says, someone else will save me. I'll start next month. I'm too tired. The moment you stop running that script is the moment you start writing a new one. So don't wait, don't scroll, don't overthink, start building. Because no one's coming to save you. But you can save yourself.